And yeah, I like this.
As a snack thing.
What? See, now if the snacks for free, that'd be like.
Oh my gosh, it feels heavenly right here. I love it.
Is this on? Oh, we can do yoga.
Yeah.
They have a jump rope. They have jump ropes, step ups,
Well, what's this?
stairs. This is so freaking nice. Hey y'all, did y'all see the kitchen?
Oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is so cool.
I agree.
Look it. What?
Is this ours?
I hope so.
Me too.
There's stuff in our fridge. There's stuff in our fridge.
John.
Yeah, if you're like
What the heck? Ah. This is my room and Sarah's room. This is John Norman's closet. Hey Sarah, if you stay in here, there's a shower, a nice shower.
We have a nice shower.
Look, yeah, we do.
Score. Okay. What's that trick? Okay, let me make sure.
This is freaking nice. It's crap. Hey.
I brought these very good smelling stuff.
Oh, that's cute. Y'all connect.
I know, it's cool, huh? Yeah. Okay, seriously.
Hey. This is nice. It's crap.